Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Transit brake light bulb. First, gather your tools to ensure a smooth process. You will need a new 12-volt bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Always make sure your vehicle is turned completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before starting any work. This ensures your safety throughout the repair. Now, let's access the brake light bulb. You'll find two screws holding the tail light assembly in place, typically on the inner edge. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It should slide out without much force. With the tail light assembly detached, you can now access the bulb. Locate the brake light bulb holder and twist it counterclockwise to release it from the assembly. To remove the old bulb, gently press it down and twist it counterclockwise. It should then pull straight out. Insert your new bulb by pressing it down and twisting it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Before reassembling, it's crucial to test your new brake light. Have a helper press the brake pedal while you check that the new bulb illuminates correctly. Once confirmed, carefully push the tail light assembly back into its position and secure it with the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier. Remember to check the description for a link to upgrade your cleaning game with a fantastic robot vacuum, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.